In this video, you'll see what happens to your body when you eat fresh ginger drink daily. But first, let's learn about the benefits of ginger found in the latest studies on this amazing plant. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button, so we can welcome you and go on an interesting health journey together. Ginger helps promote cardiovascular health. Recent studies have shown that ginger promotes circulatory health and helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease through its effective role in reducing cholesterol levels in the blood. In addition, ginger is a source of a group of important minerals that are essential for the functioning of the heart muscle and arteries and for regulating blood pressure, such as potassium, magnesium, and manganese. To achieve this benefit, hypertensive patients should eat fresh, not ground ginger. Ginger also lowers blood sugar levels, promotes the health of diabetics in general, and prevents some complications associated with diabetes. However, diabetics should not exceed 4 grams of ginger per day, so that the effects are not adverse and negatively affect their health, so that there is a sharp drop in sugar. Ginger also helps to prevent cancer because it contains high levels of antioxidants and active substances that have made it a good contributor to fighting several types of cancer such as colon cancer, and prostate cancer, and skin cancer, and lung cancer, as well as colorectal cancer. Ginger also contributes to the treatment of headache and migraine. Ginger is used to relieve pain and has a role in treating migraines. Ginger also helps fight inflammation in the body, which may be the cause of head pain and headache, and to reduce dizziness, nausea, and any symptoms that may accompany headaches. Ginger treats respiratory infections. It helps to relieve the symptoms of colds and winter diseases, such as cold and flu. Ginger treats sore throat and expands the airways. It also relieves coughing and expels phlegm. Ginger treats inflammation and joint diseases. The antioxidants and active substances in ginger all fight different microbes and inflammation in the body. Ginger also contains enzymes that analyze proteins that contribute to inflammation, such as arthritis. It was found that people who ate ginger had a 75% reduction in joint pain. Ginger supports the digestive system, treats some intestinal disorders, prevents nausea and vomiting, and promotes digestion. Ginger increases the absorption of nutrients by stimulating the secretion of digestive juices and saliva. It treats intestinal disorders and facilitates bowel movement. Ginger protects against stomach ulcers by increasing mucus secretion and protecting the inner wall. Ginger helps to get rid of hair problems. You can use ginger oil on your hair and massage your scalp with it continuously. It helps to increase hair growth and treat the problem of hair loss, and treating the problem of dandruff and getting rid of it. It fights the appearance of white hair, caused by some psychological factors or a lack of some nutrients. Ginger contributes to the freshness of the skin. Because ginger contains antioxidants, whose benefits are due to the freshness of the skin, it helps to lighten the skin, sterilize the skin, and protect it from inflammation. It also works to reduce wrinkles, and fighting the signs of aging in the skin, and treatment of acne, and to even out skin tone. Ginger also contributes to weight loss. A recent study found that eating ginger contributed to the loss of nearly 20% of excess weight, because ginger contains high levels of dietary fiber, which helps increase the feeling of stomach fullness, thus increasing the feeling of satiety. Ginger is able to encourage metabolism and promote fat burning in the body, making it effective in slimming and losing weight. Ginger greatly helps improve sexual health. It was found that one of the benefits of ginger is that it promotes blood circulation, making it an effective role in contributing to improving sexual health and increasing sexual desire. It also treats some problems of impotence and weakness. Ginger has benefits for women as it relieves menstrual pain. One of the benefits of ginger for women is that it is effective in relieving menstrual symptoms and relieving menstrual pain in women by drinking ginger decoction. It also protects against cancer specific to women, such as uterine cancer and ovarian cancer. It also relieves pregnancy symptoms. This is one of the benefits of ginger for pregnant women. It was found to have an effective role in relieving dizziness, nausea, vomiting, head pain, and stomach disorders, thus playing a major role in treating and relieving some symptoms associated with pregnancy. However, pregnant women should eat small amounts of it, not exceeding 2 grams per day and dividing it into 2 or 3 servings per day. It can be added to food and salad dishes or eaten as juice. Now let's get to know some types of ginger blends. First, ginger mix to lose weight. You can eat ginger for slimming in several ways. For example, drink fresh green ginger with cinnamon, because ginger and cinnamon contain active substances that promote metabolism and fat burning. Also, drink a decoction of ground ginger, filter it, and add lemon juice to it. You should pay attention to the amount eaten, so that it does not exceed a cup per day. It is always preferable to eat ginger for slimming after a medical consultation. As for ginger blends for hair, there are several methods. One of them is to mix ginger oil with a group of other oils, such as castor oil and olive oil, then apply the mixture to the scalp, massage in a circular manner, and then put a hot towel around the hair. Use ginger root powder, add the same mixture of previous oils to it, apply it to the hair and leave it for a while. There are ginger blends for the skin. Before you start applying ginger blends to the skin, you should know how sensitive the skin is. This is done by applying ginger to a small part of the skin. If any allergy appears, you should stay away from these blends. Apply a mixture of dry ginger powder or grated fresh ginger with a spoonful of honey and a spoonful of rose water. Wash the face with it and then wash it with water again. Ginger is ideal for lightening scars and dark spots in the skin because it contains the antioxidant gingerol, which is a substance that fights free radicals that are harmful to the skin and promotes its smooth and uniform color. According to the global magazine Vogue for Women and Beauty, mixing some ground-dried or freshly grated ginger with lemon juice is a beneficial mixture for the skin. Ginger also contains vitamin C, which is essential for collagen reproduction, which in turn helps heal scars, promotes skin freshness and reduces the effects of sun damage causing pigmentation. Apply the mixture specifically to dark spots, as lemon juice may affect the skin if used all over the face. Leave the mixture on the skin until it is completely dry, then rinse it off. Ginger also treats pimples and acne. In addition to the above, ginger has powerful antiseptic properties that can cleanse bacteria on the surface of the skin that cause pimples and acne. When you add ginger with natural honey, for example, which is another natural antibacterial and antifungal ingredient, we get a powerful combination to fight acne, taking into account the frequency of using this mask weekly to achieve the best results. Thus, we have learned what happens to our bodies. When you eat ginger daily, it will promote the health of the heart, arteries, and blood circulation, reduce our cholesterol level in the blood, provide our bodies with many useful elements, such as potassium, magnesium, and manganese, reduce blood sugar levels, protect us from many types of cancer such as colon, skin, lung, and prostate cancer, and treat headaches, making you able to continue your work without head problems. We live without inflammatory problems in the body, get rid of nausea, get rid of respiratory and lung diseases, and we will say goodbye to flu and inflammation. The throat will increase our ability and sexual desire. We will not suffer from colon problems, digestive system and bowel disorders. We will get rid of intestinal disorders. We will not suffer from hair problems. Hair will become stronger and more beautiful. We will gain great skin freshness, get rid of wrinkles, and get a slim body. Now let's learn how to grow ginger in the home garden. First, you should bring fertile soil rich in organic matter, loose and well drained. It is preferable to be in an area with a warm, humid and sunny climate that allows the plant to be exposed to direct sunlight. Choose a location that provides a lot of light, an average of 2 to 5 hours a day. We water it with water daily, in addition to the importance of the area being protected from strong winds. Ginger seeds are grown and distributed at a different rate, depending on the type of land. Ginger is harvested after the leaves and stems are dried. By taking it from the ground by drilling, and if the amount isn't large, ginger is extracted using a rod attached to a tractor. After harvesting, ginger should be treated for 3 to 5 days to prevent mold. Now we must learn about the health conditions and diseases that ginger is incompatible with. Due to the side effects that ginger may cause, especially when eaten in large amounts, diabetics should avoid eating large amounts of it, because it leads to a reduction in blood sugar levels and, consequently, a drop in sugar. As well as patients with gallbladder disease, in order to prevent any complications. As well as patients with heart and blood pressure, ginger causes heart palpitations and affects pressure. Therefore, you should avoid taking it except with medical advice. As well as patients with thrombosis and blood thinners, you should consult a doctor before using it and find out the permissible doses. At the end of this video, let's talk about the importance of ginger for muscles. Athletes often forget the importance of ginger for them during exercise. Many studies have shown its ideal ability to deal with muscle pain after intense training. A study has shown that 2 grams of ginger for 11 days significantly reduces muscle pain for those doing arm exercises. It should be noted that the benefits of ginger in terms of treating muscle pain are not immediate. Rather, it is a matter of eating ginger day after day, whether as a drink or food. As we said at the beginning of the video, it contains anti-inflammatory substances. Add ginger daily to most dishes. Ginger can be added to meat, chicken, vegetable dishes, and all fresh meals. It is very delicious with fish, potatoes and chicken liver. You can also add ginger with stock. You can also drink it with water, and benefit from all these amazing benefits. At the end of the video, thank you for following. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and don't forget to like it. Because in future videos, we will dive into the nutrients that ginger contains, which are proteins, carbohydrates, fat, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, iron, magnesium, sodium, zinc, selenium, niacin, folic acid, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin C, choline, copper, and some amino acids.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new news.